video, I'm going to be answering one of the most common questions if you're just getting started with affiliate marketing, and that's it's why you can make money with affiliate marketing. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo, and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be answering a really common question, and that is why you can make money with affiliate marketing. Maybe you're just getting started, or maybe you're not earning enough money and you're running pay ads, or you are looking to replace your regular 9 to 5 or earn, some extra that can really help you. So, this is a really common question and this is a really valid question. And there are some things that I would like to explain to you about why you can make money with affiliate marketing. Basically, if you're getting started, what you are doing with affiliate marketing is that you are promoting other people's products and services. For example, we have someone here to create a product. We have here a potential customer, and here you are, okay? And you're telling this person like, hey, are you looking for a review about this product? Do you want to learn more about this product? Do you want to learn how to solve this problem? Okay, check out this information. That person use your affiliate link, and if that person make the purchase, you're going to be earning a commission. Okay, so literally, we are not taking any payment. We are not dealing with customer service, tech support. We don't even create a product or service. Okay. So that's what we do with affiliate marketing. It's a real good business model and we need to treat it as a business. So, um, why the typical affiliate marketing model doesn't work? Okay. The typical affiliate marketing model is just like this. You have an account of a social network. It can be TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, you name it. You can be running ads on Google, Pinterest, and you're like, hey, okay, I'm gonna drive traffic, and this is the sales page. Okay, this is not a page that you create. This is someone else's page. Basically, the person who created the product or service is the one who created this, and you are like, yeah, I'm gonna be driving traffic. Remember, this can be free or organic, or it can be paid traffic. And you're like, okay, I'm wondering why I'm not even breaking even or why I'm not even, earning a lot of money. And there are things that you need to understand. If you're doing this, for example, to Amazon, you need to understand that, yeah, Amazon is going to pay you on the very first sale. After that, they're going to keep sending more and more information to that person, and you're not going to be earning money on that. There are other programs out there, for example, web hosting, that if you refer someone, they're paying you way more than what the person paid on the very first month because they know that they can earn more money on the back end. That's another reason why you're going to see other programs in which you can see that they are people who are willing to pay you 100% on the commission on the very first product. They do have the willingness, to lose money because having a customer, it's really valuable. By doing this, you are doing something that is terrible for your business. You don't own the customer and you need to own the customer. Okay. You need to make sure that this person, it doesn't matter what they buy, you're going to keep earning money. Okay. So that's something really important. And with that said, you will need to create an ecosystem. It can be a really ecosystem in which you're capturing people name and email, and you can send them to a bridge page if you're doing affiliate marketing, right? And then you're going to be sending them to the product page. Okay. You need to make sure that you're going to be partnering with someone who have different products and you're going to be earning money on all those products. It can be high ticket, low ticket, mid ticket, recurring. Okay. But you own the customer. Okay. The same goes if you're doing email marketing, which you should. And by the way, if you are enjoying this content so far, give me a thumbs up. Also, if you have some comments and questions, leave it in the comment area. And if you want to learn more about this, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description. Okay. So you're going to be sending them more and more information about this and about other products. Okay. It doesn't matter if these products are coming from JVSU, Warrior Plus, these are private affiliate networks. It doesn't matter because by doing this, okay, just by simply doing this, you own not only the customer, but you also own the lead. And by making sure, okay, that you are going to be earning money for every single commission, well, not on every single commission of every single purchase that person made, you are, owning the customer. Okay. So that's actually extremely important and extremely valuable because again, this is a business and we need to treat this as a business and we need to understand that as a business, we need to own the customer. Okay. So if you want to learn how you can build a really simple system, I'm going to be leaving a link below. If you want to learn more about this, also, there's going to be a link below. Again, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.